Pre-Mauryan period, milieu of religious movements. The pre-Mauryan period in ancient India was indeed a significant milieu for the emergence and development of various religious movements and philosophical ideas. This era witnessed the rise of new religious and philosophical schools that challenged the prevailing Vedic traditions and contributed to the cultural and intellectual diversity of the time. Jainism. One of the major religious movements that emerged during this period was Jainism. Founded by Mahavira, Jainism emphasized the principles of non-violence, ahimsa, truthfulness, and asceticism. Jainism rejected the authority of the Vedas and advocated for the liberation of the soul through self-discipline and renunciation. Buddhism, founded by Gautama Buddha, also arose during the pre-Mauryan period. Like Jainism, Buddhism challenged Vedic rituals and social hierarchies. Buddhism focused on the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path, emphasizing the cessation of suffering, dukkha, and the attainment of enlightenment, nirvana. Jivikas. The Ajivikas were a religious sect founded by Makkali Goshala. They believed in the concept of determinism, asserting that all events were predestined and controlled by cosmic forces. The Ajivikas emphasized asceticism and detachment from worldly possessions. Lokaita Charvaka. The Lokaita or Charvaka school was a materialistic and atheistic philosophy that emerged during this period. It rejected religious rituals, the concept of the afterlife, and the existence of deities. Lokaita focused on the pursuit of sensory pleasure and the material world as the ultimate reality. These religious and philosophical movements challenged the traditional Brahmanical rituals and social structures, offering alternative paths to salvation, ethical conduct, and understanding of the world. They attracted followers from different social strata, contributing to a diverse spiritual landscape in ancient India. Teachings and ideas of these movements had a lasting impact on Indian culture and philosophy. They influenced subsequent religious and intellectual developments, and their influence can still be seen in various aspects of Indian society and thought. It's important to note that the interactions between these religious movements were not isolated, and there were often exchanges of ideas and debates among them. Additionally, the pre-Mauryan period also witnessed the continuation of Vedic traditions and the presence of other regional and tribal belief systems, further enriching the religious and philosophical tapestry of ancient India.